Hey, here in my backyard. People always asking me for a tour, so I thought I'd show a little bit of my house. But more importantly, I'm gonna share with you how I went from sleeping in a mobile home, with 47 bucks in my bank account to a place like this in Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills. And so I'm gonna give you three things that made all the difference in my life. But this is like, people ask me to do like a MTV Cribs like little tour. So it's a cool house. It's 56 doors, 18 bath, I think 16 bedrooms. Depends how you count them. Some of them I use as a library. But yeah, let me show you. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. Obviously pool, some cabanas and stuff. My favorite thing, it's got a full court basketball. So if you like to play basketball or tennis and can do big parties here, one of the things I'm going to tell you in these three, it's important that you understand the how to win friends and influence people. That's a big one. People always talk about networking and stuff. So yeah, got a little squat rack that I'm putting together for the gym. There's a gym in here. There's a 16-person movie theater in here. I like movies. There's a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu room that I use. So anyway, these three things that I'm going to share with you, they're the things that I teach the people who work for me, the CEOs that I train. I'm an investor. That's my main business now. I've done all kinds of stuff. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 19 years old. Sometimes not a very successful one. That's how I end up on a couch not understanding the things. I'm going to share these three things with you. This I use as a bar and stuff when I do a party. Got the infinity. There's the guest house there. I didn't show you that, but that's the movie theater. You got the gym and pool and poker room stuff. So, these three things, I symbolize them with three letters, okay? Which I'll show you in a second when I'm not walking so much. And so every time, even to this day, when I'm under pressure, when I'm not sure what to do, these three letters I had 5 mentors that showed me this. This is the living room. I'll show you in a second. I got a little fish pond in there, but I'll show you the kitchen. I use this little master dining room, stuff like that. I'm not gonna go through all the rooms. This place has a lot of rooms. It's 17,000 square feet. So here's the kitchen. I'm not a good cook at all, so and then you got here. I don't have all my cars here because I have other houses here in LA, but I think I have the Lambo and Ferrari here. Yeah. Ferrari, Lambo. I got other cars. Some of you, this is a different garage. I shot that commercial like here in my garage, so I don't have bookshelf in this garage. I have my other house up in the Hollywood Hills. This is Beverly Hills. So, yeah, this is, I play the piano. It's got a cool door. It's got some fish. They're all under here. This is where I read, I like to read a book and stuff like that. So, pretty cool. A cool front door. Oh, it's got an elevator in the house, which I never use. But there's a third floor for like guests and stuff. And it's got a cool door. Oh. Sorry. There's somebody here waiting. Don't close the door. And then you got the Godfather look. People always say this looks like Scarface. Say hello to my little friend. But anyway, forget all that. I'm gonna give you these three things. Actually, I'm gonna do it on my website because I don't want this to go too long. So if you click the link on my website, I'm gonna stand right here and I'm gonna explain to you these three things that took me from sleeping on a couch, in Clayton, North Carolina in a mobile home to, you always gotta go up. It doesn't matter how fast you go up. Not everybody needs to be a billionaire or a millionaire, but it's all about progress, momentum. So I'm gonna share with you three things. If you do these three things, you're gonna change your life. So click the link. It'll take you to my website. It's all free. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna lay it out. And if you do these three things, I don't know what you're seeking in life. I don't know. For people, some people want health, wealth, love, happiness. There's all this wide variety of human wants. But whatever yours are, these 3 letters, it's a little way I memorize it, will revolutionize your life. I'm telling you. And they continue. When I make mistakes, these are the ways that you dig yourself out of a hole. So click the link. There should be a link right here, maybe up, down, and it'll take you to my website, and you can check it out and make a change today. Never procrastinate. We live in a world full of procrastinators. And if you snooze, you lose in life. You know what I'm saying? So click the link, and I'll see you on my website with the free video presentation of these 3 steps that are going to change your life. All right? Talk to you soon.